Hi, Nat here, Shoes of Hollywood, doing another unboxing and review for you. These are a Stardust shoe. They're the 808. These ones are a purple, fuchsia, hot pink colour. Yeah, these are really cool. Have a look at them first. Good, there's one. So they are clear band ones as well, and they're an ankle. They've got a strap around the ankle for you for support. Pull out the other one. And the packaging is amazing because they do have little diamantes on them, and this way they're not going to get hurt in any way before you get them. So yeah, here are all the diamantes on them. They're gorgeous. This shoe used to have diamantes all the way around, but they found that you would slide your shoes together and it would scratch them off. So they've decided to stop doing that so your shoes will last longer. Don't be scared, because in the box does come a little baggie full of spare diamantes, so if one falls off you can replace it, which is super nice. So these are an 8-inch heel. This is going to be my third try walking an 8-inch. They make me very hesitant. That's okay, practice. And these shoes also come in a 7-inch or a 6-inch. Just check them out on the website. I think the colours vary depending on the size of the heel. But yeah, just go onto our website, have a look at them all. This particular shoe does come in different colours. I think they've got a gold and a blue, and a few others too, so just check them out on the website, have a look. We're gonna chuck these ones on. Okay. So don't be alarmed if the plastic looks tight, it's only because they're new shoes. Once you wear them around for a little while, they will start to heat up and mould into your foot, becoming really supportive, really comfortable, which is what you would like. Oh, they're high. Okay. Cool. I just tighten that one up a little bit. It's better. Alright. So these were the Stardust shoes. As you can see why. Alright. So they remove the diamonds in the middle because it's so easy when you're walking to slide across like that, and it would rip off the diamonds. So this way your shoes are going to last much longer, which is really great. It's a pretty funky colour. See if we can catch some sunlight, check out the diamonds. Everyone loves a little sparkle in their life. The shoes having that clear platform as well, as you can probably catch it, it colours the shadow, making you have a halo practically every time you walk, which would be great if you're in a club or if you're anywhere where there's lots of light. It'll be stunning. Walking out here in 8-inch heels are my favourite thing to do. Yes. They don't make me nervous at all. In saying that, they're very comfortable and I don't feel like I'm going to fall. I'm just not used to it. So if you're used to them, you'll be fine. Completely fine. Catch that glimmer there. I can see it from where I'm standing. It is absolutely stunning. So shiny. That pretty purple reflection is really gorgeous. So these are a Pleaser Stardust, and they were an 8-inch heel. And that's those ones. I hope you enjoy this video as well. Please hit the bell and click subscribe and you'll be informed every time we upload a new video. We'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.